Have you ever taken what should have been the perfect travel photo only to realize later that you're actually photographing yourself or something else? Instead of a clear image, you end up with reflections of the cabin, nearby passengers, indoor lights, or even your own face staring back at you. It's one of the most frustrating parts of travel photography. You finally get access to an incredible view, snap the photo quickly before the moment passes, and only later notice that the glass got in the way of the shot. The good news is that you don't necessarily have to accept the reflection as part of the image. AI-powered reflection removal can help reduce or eliminate unwanted glare and reflections, making the actual scenery the focus of your photo again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove reflection from photos and restore the view hidden behind the glass. First of all, download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then, open the Image Enhancer AI. Import all of your images that you want to work with. It supports batch processing. On the right side, you'll see the tools you can use to enhance images. There are different kinds for different tasks, and what we'll need is the light enhancement section, so click here, and then choose glare and reflection remover. This will recognize and remove the reflections in these images here. Let's look at a preview here, for example. As you can see, it removed the distracting reflection and made the image much clearer. So let's select an output folder and do the same on all of these photos here. All right, now let's look at some results. It nicely removed the reflections from these photos, leaving what's important intact. And that's it. AI reflection removal can help recover details that would otherwise be hidden behind distracting reflections. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.